I just found a brand new voice AI that went free with no usage caps. And it's beating 11 Labs, OpenAI, and Gemini in blind tests. It's called Fish Audio, and their brand new S2.1 Pro model is the same model on the free tier and on the paid tier, which makes this a no-brainer to use. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what it is, how you could use it, and I'm going to show you how you can actually use this to build your own voice agent. In fact, my team uses this agent all the time in order to create viral content for my brand. Now, before I actually walk you through the exact voice agent that I've built, how I actually created it, and how you could build something just like it, I wanted to walk you through Fish Audio because, like I was sharing with you before, this tool has been ranked #1 when it comes to blind studies against tools like 11 Labs, OpenAI, and Gemini's voice tools. It covers 83 different languages, and you don't have to pay extra for certain languages like you do with other tools and other models. And they don't have a hard usage cap, they just have a fair usage policy. What's even crazier is that there's a 90 millisecond latency, which is incredibly fast. So if we actually come over here, we could see that they have several different products. From home, we could see that we could do text to speech, which allows us to convert any speech that we want into natural sounding speech in seconds. For example, we could come over here, we could see that we could choose Fish Audio S2.1 Pro for free. We could come over here and actually choose what voice we want to be able to use. And if we actually click into this to add another voice, we could see that there are tons of voices, there are samples here, and we could go through and actually explore related models here, which is pretty cool. Or if we wanted to add another voice, we could simply just click on this. We could go through and we can explore all of the different voices that exist. And there are literally tons of them. Bunch of different accents, bunch of different types, bunch of different things like Larry from advertising, this professional and energetic middle-aged male, smooth and confident. There are tons and tons. In addition to that, we can also actually create our own voice here, which we could see right here, and we can create voice collections of voices, which is pretty cool. If we actually click on this plus right here, this is where we could go through and you can instantly clone your voice with only 10 seconds of audio. You can actually describe a voice that you want to hear in plain text and be able to build that out, or you can do a professional voice clone, which requires 1 to 2 hours of audio. And what's pretty incredible is that all three of these work great. Now, if you're just looking to clone your voice quickly and you don't want to put that much effort into it, I would use the instant voice clone. But if you really want to take things to the next level, I would use the professional voice clone if you're going to do something like create a podcast generator, like what I'm going to show you in just a little bit, or something along the lines of that, where you might be using your voice inside of your content. Or even this voice design is incredible. And what's also great about this tool is that when you actually design your own voice, you are not going to be held accountable when it comes to using an AI voice on YouTube. And what I mean by that is that you likely won't get banned for that. A lot of people right now are getting banned on YouTube because what's happening is they're all using the same voice. But if you custom design your own voice, it's going to decrease the odds that that actually happens for you. Now, if we come back over to home right here, we could see a handful of other things that we could do right here. Like we could create sound effects. We could come over here and we could actually choose them, or we could actually create our own sound effect if we wanted to by simply describing exactly what it is that we want to generate right here. If we come back over here, we could see that we could also do audio separation. This allows us to do things like separate vocals, drums, bass, and other stems from any audio if that's something that you might need to do from inside of your content. And they even have this voice changer right here, which allows you to actually upload an audio source. We could select a model right here and we could actually have a conversation and be able to change, so you could transform your voice into any character with AI voice conversion. In addition to that, they also have speech to text. So if you want to be able to upload a long form audio, you can actually go through and see what the transcript is. What's even cooler than that is this actually allows you to preview the credit cost before you actually do this, which most other tools don't allow you to do. Now, all of this is what's possible from directly inside of Fish Audio right here. And we can see that I've actually gone through and created multiple different projects right here. The other thing that you could do is if we come over here into developer mode, this is where you're actually able to get your API key and you're able to go through and you are able to take this into other tools like Claude or ChatGPT or something that you build custom and be able to access this through that by putting it into your own tool or building your own voice agent, which is exactly what we're about to go over. Now, before I walk you through exactly how I'm going to use this in order to build the voice agent inside of Claude, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and grab your free API key today so that you could start also building with Fish Audio. On top of that, Fish Audio is currently celebrating their first anniversary. And as a result, from July 24th to August 24th, they're giving creators 50% off all creator plans. And you're also going to get free access to S2.1 Pro from July 24th to August 7th. Okay, so in order to actually do this, here's what I did. I came over and I use Claude Code personally to do this, but you could do this with any tool that you want and you'll be able to actually add in your API access right here. So we could see that I said to this, I want to build an AI podcast generator. It should allow me to type in an article or a topic and choose the voice that I want from a list of voices and choose the emotion that I want to be able to add. The research should get done on that topic and then an AI podcast should be generated from it. To generate the podcast, I want to use Fish Audio's S2.1 Pro API. Now, what this actually did is this went through and this coded this up for me. And it actually generated this directly inside of here that I can now go through and I can actually look at. So we could see right here that this is exactly how this works. So we could go from a single idea to a finished podcast episode. We simply just come over here, we drop in a topic or we paste an article, and then this is going to go through and this actually researches the topic on the live web, writes a host ready script and records it in the voice and the mood that we actually choose. We can see right here that this goes through and uses Claude Opus 4.8 in order to actually do the research. And this is going to use Fish Audio's S2.1 Pro voice right here. So we could see that we could simply just drop in the source material. We could choose a voice right here. We could choose what the delivery is going to look like, how long it's going to be, and this will actually go through and produce the episode. And this also goes through and actually saves all of the different episodes that we've created before in the past because we have created a few. And part of what really makes this powerful right here is that if we actually come back over here, we could see that we can actually come in here and we could create a voice. So I'm going to come over here and I'm actually going to clone my voice by clicking on instant voice clone right here. And now we could go through and we can actually record what is going to be used here. And we could see that this can actually go up to 210 seconds right here, which is going to be a few minutes. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to do this quick. I'm going to let this actually analyze my voice. We're then going to add that into the app and I'm going to show you what the finished tool looks like. Okay, so I went through, I recorded 30 seconds right here. We could see that it's now going through, it's analyzing this, and this is actually going to allow me to create my voiceover from my voice in just 30 seconds. Now, while it's doing that, I did want to show you the other thing that, again, makes this incredibly powerful, because if we come over to text to speech right here, we could see that we can actually add in different emotions here, which is absolutely incredible. You can also control all of these different things. So let's just say that I came over here and I wrote out some random stuff like the TikTok algorithm just released a massive update. This changes everything and you shouldn't skip any part of this video. Now, what we could actually do is come over here to auto tag, and this is automatically going to tag this up with emotions right here, which actually then changes the voice output that you get, which is absolutely incredible. So we could see this went through and actually changed this with excited, change this with emphasis, and change this with emphasis. So this will actually generate a completely different voice than if the tags weren't used, which again is what makes this tool so powerful and why it's so good for building your custom voice agents. Okay, so if we come back over here, we could see that this has actually been created. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to name this Aaron Knows AI. It's kind of like just this name that I go with. We could add over here that it has a description, has all this stuff. I'm going to keep this as public right here. I'm going to say that I confirm that I'm actually able to use this right here. We're going to click on create. And now what we should actually be able to do is from inside of our voice model, we should be able to actually see and use this voice right here. And if we wanted to see a sample of what this voice sounds like, check this out. Our planet's diverse ecosystems harbor countless wonders, from the smallest microorganisms to the... Now that's pretty incredible, because literally in 30 seconds, they gave me a voice that sounds exactly like me, which is absolutely insane. So check this out. What we're actually going to do now is we're going to come back over here, and I'm actually going to grab some source material from something that I want to create. So let's say that I actually wanted to create something about the TikTok algorithm update for 2026. What I could do is I could go through and I could grab an article about this. For example, if we come over here, Hootsuite has a blog here, and I'm actually going to come through. I'm going to grab the key takeaways right here, and I'm going to grab a lot of this information, and we're actually going to paste this inside of here. So we're going to grab the key takeaways right here and what this is. So I'm actually going to copy this. We're going to come back over here. We're going to paste this as the source material. We're going to come down here. I typed in Aaron Knows AI, which is the voice that we actually created. Again, we could test it by looking right here. Our planet's diverse ecosystems harbor countless we could see that is my voice right here. I'm going to grab this right here. In terms of what the delivery is going to look like, I want it to be energetic. I'm, for the sake of this, going to do short right here, but we could make this long. We can make this standard. We can make it longer. We're simply just going to click on produce episode right here, and then this is going to go through and actually create this. And now this is actually going off and doing everything that needs to get done here. We can see that this is going through this, actually researching our topic live on the web. It's going to take 1 to 3 minutes. It's then going to write the script, and it's actually going to create this entire podcast episode for us. And this is exactly how you could go through and you could create your own podcast generator. You could use this for faceless content. You could use this for basically anything that you want, because now you're able to turn your real voice, somebody else's voice, or a voice that you designed into whatever kind of content that you want to create literally in minutes just by using Claude Code and Fish Audio S2.1 Pro, which again, you could get started with today literally for free. And so here it is. We have it generated literally in just a few minutes. We could actually come over here and we could read exactly what the script is, all the different tags that are in here, which is incredible. We could come over here and we could download this. We could change the playback speed. And I want to show you exactly what this looks and sounds like. So I'm going to change this to Rob TikTok Podcast right here. We're going to click on save. Now let's check this out. Ever wondered why TikTok knows you better than your best friend? Here's the wild part. TikTok doesn't run on a social graph. It runs on an interest graph. So think about that. I literally just typed in a topic, something I got on the internet, chose my voice right here, which literally took me 30 seconds to make. And now I have this automatic podcast generator. And what's even crazier is I could actually go through and I could get this to create podcasts about every topic that trends, everything that comes out. And I could do that on autopilot without knowing how to code, without knowing how to do anything, because I'm using Fish Audio S2.1 Pro. And again, I cannot believe how good their voice model is. I've used 11 Labs and literally uploaded 2 to 3 hours of content, and it's not as good as their 30-second voice model. So what are you waiting for? If you want to be able to create a voice agent that'll help you create better content without getting stuck paying for cap trials or watching your credits disappear before you've even tested your voice model properly, that's over now. Because you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Fish Audio's S2.1 Pro for free today, or you could take advantage of the fact that Fish Audio is currently celebrating its first anniversary, and from July 24th to August 24th, creators can get 50% off all creator plans. In addition to that, creators can also enjoy free access to S2.1 Pro from July 24th to August 7th. So go to that pinned comment below and get started with it today for free.